Welcome to this week's training. So, today I'm going to be talking about the advantages of hiring a professional web developer. For those of us who haven't met, my name is Lawanda Engel, and I'm a WordPress web developer, and I help female business owners to create unique WordPress websites that reflect their style and elevate their online presence with VIP days. So, let's get started with their training. So, the first thing, so I'm going to be sharing five of the ways when it's time to couple of when you need a web developer. So the first one, high quality web design. So professional web developers, have that experience and expertise to create high quality and visual appealing websites. They understand the latest design trends, you know, the user principles that go into creating a website, accessibility guidelines that look great, but also are function well, do what they're supposed to do. Um, and also to think about what time do you have in creating a website? What knowledge do you have? What are years of understanding of creating a website? You don't want to add more things onto your plate, with having to create your website and also creating a website that's going to work for you, that's going to, do the purpose that it's meant to do. So the second one, customized website development. So a professional web developer can, customize your website to meet the needs of your business organization. They know what features that can be added to, say, if you want a membership or if you want, to add a shop to your site. Those functionalities, though, integrations that can enhance the user's experience and streamline your business operations. So those are things to think about when, creating that. The third thing, SEO or search engine optimization. Um, we can web developers have an understanding of SEO principles, um, and can build you a website that is optimized for search engine optimization. They can help you, find those ways that are going to help you, you know, reach the rankings of the search engine results, increase your website traffic, and drive more leads and sales through your website. Number four, which is one of the most important things, but mobile responsiveness. You know, it's so important to think about this because how do most people are searching for things? They're on their mobile device. So it's important to think about that. How are they looking for, you know, say they need your services? You have a shop that you sell, you know, I don't know, t-shirts, or, you're selling, planners or things like that. And they search and then you come up. So it's good to have that website that's mobile responsiveness, that it not only looks good on your laptop or computer, but it also looks good on the mobile, because that's the way most people are looking for things. So that's an important thing to have. And number five is technical support and maintenance. um, so having that web developer, they can provide that technical support and also provide maintenance services to ensure that your website continues to run smoothly. So once you have your website built, I mean, is that it? No, you have to continue to update it, check it for, issues, continue to upgrade it to, adding new things or switching out new things if you're changing things in your business. So it's important to, if you don't have that time, to think about that. You know, how am I going to keep this updated? So those are just some of the things that you should think about it to continue to have your website to run correctly. And so those are just some of those things that to think about when you're ready to start your website or you're thinking about it. So those are some things to think about. So are you in that process of starting your website, with WordPress, But you open up WordPress and you don't understand what you're looking at, the different things are in the back end of WordPress. Well, I have something for you. I've created it's a workshop, a webinar type thing, and it's a walkthrough. And so we're going to overview the dashboard, navigate the dashboard, how, the posts and pages, understanding the media library, creating and managing categories and tags, and using the management and roles, and working with themes and plugins. We're going to dive deeper into those things. So if you're a beginner in WordPress or you need just a refresher, it's been a while, come and let's spend some time together and I'll answer your questions and we can work with each other to understand the back end of WordPress. There's limited spots available. You can book now. There'll be a link in the comments for 47. So hurry up and book now. If you have questions about what I talked about in this training today, please comment below, post your questions below. If you're watching this later, comment #replay, and I will reach out to you and I'll answer your questions. I'll see you next week.